use the term in a manly way. Welcome back to the shop. Let's go lap some connecting rods.
Alright, we're going to do a little connecting rod lapping. The process is unbelievably filthy. It's not without a certain amount of risk. The safety police, I don't think, would let you do it today in a commercial shop because your hands are touching rotating parts. The object of lapping is to restore the rod races to a round condition, and you want to make this surface in here kind of a uniform frosty gray. So I'll show you how I do it. The lap right now is set just kind of initial setting there to be just a little drag on the rods. We're going to make the lap a little bigger, so I loosen it up on one end. I move it in about eighth of a rotation increments, and I use the slots on the lap to help me keep track of where I'm going with it. So we'll just go up to the first slot over here. We'll tighten down the back one, and we'll make another couple of passes. It does not take a tremendous amount of lapping compound. You have to be very patient with this. If you try to take too big a bite at one time, the machine will hurt you. It'll grab the connecting rod and want to smack you around. Not a good thing, so be very gentle with it. Small passes are the rule. The lathe is set at 200 RPM. I got a digital readout so I know how fast it's turning. I can feel the rod, the drag on the rod increasing just a little bit. So we're beginning to remove some material. I do both rods at the same time. I reverse the rods frequently as I'm passing them over the lap just to make up for any irregularities in the lap surface. Yeah, it's getting a little bit more drag on it. We're starting to move some metal around. You never can tell exactly how long it's going to take. So you just have to be patient with this. Okay, the lap is starting to put a fair amount of drag on the rod. Not excessive, but some. Going to take one more bite at it, and then we're going to kind of wipe the crud off and see where we're at. That's starting to feel good. All right, let's wipe some crud off and see where we're at. All right, I got a nice uniform, frosty, kind of a frosty gray finish, evenly across both races. On both rods, we're going to wash all the crud off of it. We're going to test fit a couple of bearings.